Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want your hair to look like this, then just keep watching. So, in today's video, Unice is once again sponsoring this video. They sent over this, I believe it's a blonde highlighted wig, and it's in a 24-inch, of course. Their construction of their wigs is always superb, as always. And yes, I'm just showing you guys inside the cap. I used the e.l.f. Concealer to, brush on to the lace. I missed the clip, so it's not on here. But yeah, I just hot comb back the hairs, and I cut my lace first before I apply it. Only because I don't use glue. I use the glueless method where I use hairspray. So now I'm razoring off the lace so that it's jagged along my hairline. And guys, this was very much so a rushed install. It's not my favorite install, but it did turn out okay. I'm going back over with that same brush of product and putting it on top of the lace as well. Of course, I'm going to use my black spray of Eben. Flip that spray right on up. Y'all know that I go in with 3 layers of this, by the way. But y'all know that I use the same method every time, and it turns out bomb. But y'all could tell I was rushing. I didn't even slick back my baby hairs. Y'all, this is the day that Dejan... Oh, there you go, y'all. This is the day that Dejan went to go buy his car and will pick up his car that he ordered. And y'all, we had a certain time to be there, and I was late. And I decided to record a video while installing a whole wig. So yeah, so now after you spray your 3 layers of Eben, let it get tacky a little bit and then pull down the lace. You're going to want to position it a little bit above your hairline, and then go in with a rat tail comb and press it down, usually combing back, and then blow drying it to stick completely. Now, once again, I was rushing, and I would have normally fixed this, but as you can see on one side, a little bit of my baby hair is showing, and my baby hair is black. I would have pulled it up and redid it, but I did not. On the pieces of lace that aren't fully laid down, just spray a little bit more spray on your finger. Apply it onto the lace and then dry it before putting your band on. So now you want to go ahead and put your lace band on. And I swear these lace bands are never tight, so I actually tie mine up into a knot in the back, okay? So now while my lace is melting, I'm just going to go ahead and style. Of course, I'm going to do a middle part. I had a whole plan of styling this hair differently, but because I was rushing and I had to get out of the house, I just went ahead and did the simplest way. So y'all already know what I do right here. I separate the lace, the hair from the lace, and I go in sections, put my wax stick on it, and then hot comb to get the flattest install ever. As you guys will see, the one side that has been hot combed and the other side that has not. So yeah, make sure you guys are not forgetting that important step. Flat mountain on the other side. So yeah, go ahead and do the exact same process on the other side of your head. So now I'm just going to go in with that same concealer with a very small concealer brush and put that in my part. Yeah. Just showing you guys what the part looking like. Take off that band now, y'all. I was rushing so bad because I didn't put the lace I didn't put the lace directly as far up as I was spraying the spray. Of course, it left a little spray residue, glue residue, whatever you want to call it, on my forehead, and I don't like that. So I just went in with my micellar water. I would have normally went in with 91% alcohol. I prefer you to do that. Do not use the micellar water. Use alcohol. It will come off way easier. And also, I normally don't do baby hair, but because was not my favorite install, I'm like, I need some baby hair to cover up my mistakes. So I'm just putting out, sectioning out a little baby hair, cutting it off. I would have normally, if I did do baby hair, I would have brought out my small curling iron, well, small flat iron to curl the baby hairs. But once again, time is a crunch. I didn't have time for it to heat up. But yeah, go ahead and section out. I always do sideburns. And then if I'm doing baby hair, it's going to be the two, swoops on the side. I didn't show you guys, but I used, what's that? Gorilla Snot. Just a little bit. You just need a little bit. Put it on the root part of the hair. Don't put it like all the way down. And you have to work fast with this because it will lift your lace. It definitely will lift your lace. So just be gentle when combing and applying. Just swoop it on over. Swoop it on over, okay? So the baby hair did help the install a little bit more for my liking. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people will be like, oh, your install looks good. And I actually did get compliments that day while wearing it. But I'm just a perfectionist and it just wasn't hitting for me because I knew I could have done better. But make sure you tie that mug as tight as it can be, baby. You need to have a headache when you take that thing off, okay? Okay, so I went ahead and styled the hair off camera. I just put some curls in. And here's the big reveal. There was still a little bit of even spray on my forehead, as you can see, but nothing too major. I did end up cleaning it up afterwards. But yeah, this is what the install is giving. It's not too bad. It's just not my best or whatever. Next time, I will make sure I have enough time to do my hair, okay? So yeah, if you guys want this unit, because the unit is bomb. I'm not going to say nothing. Unice did their thing. Everything will be in the description box down below, and I will see you guys later. Bye.